In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an object in Adobe Express. If you've ever snapped a great photo only to notice a stray sign, a person in the background, or an unwanted distraction, this quick workflow will help you clean it up in minutes. First, open Adobe Express and either start a new design or open a project you've already been working on. You can work on any canvas size. The removal tool focuses on the image itself, not the layout. Next, bring in the photo you want to fix. If you're starting from scratch, upload the image from your device or your connected library. If it's already on your canvas, simply click to select it so we can access the editing options. With the image selected, look for the Image Editing panel and choose Remove Object. This opens the tool that lets you paint over anything you want to erase. Now brush over the object you want to remove. Adjust the brush size so it roughly matches the width of the object. A larger brush is faster for broad areas, while a smaller brush makes it easier to trace edges. Try to cover the entire object, including soft shadows or reflections, so the AI knows what to replace. Zooming in and using a few short strokes instead of one long one can give you more control. When your selection looks good, tap Remove. Adobe Express analyzes the surrounding pixels and generates natural-looking fills to replace the area you covered. Give it a moment. Complex textures like grass or waves can take a few extra seconds. You'll see a set of results to preview different fills. Pick the one that blends best with your background, and if nothing feels quite right, tap Generate More to try alternate versions. Sometimes, one extra round produces a seamless match. Once you're happy, tap. Keep to apply your choice to the canvas. If you're not satisfied, tap Discard to go back to your original image without changes and try a different selection or brush size. Remember, you're not damaging the original file. You're just testing options until it looks right. That's it. By selecting your image, using Remove Object, brushing carefully, and choosing the most convincing result, you can quickly erase distractions and keep the focus where it belongs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy polishing your photos in Adobe Express.